Hello everyone, this is Mr. B with Algebra 2 Homework 2.3 Slope. We'll jump right into it. Let's see, first set of questions here. Find the slope of the line that passes through the pair of points, and then find the slope that is perpendicular to that slope. Okay, this is going to be a lot of change of y over change of x, so I'm going to write that up top first now. So change of y over change of x, or let's see, y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. All right, we'll jump straight into it. I'm going to start plugging them in. Let's see, 6 minus 5, I'm doing this backwards already. 8 minus negative 5, that's this y here, over 6 minus 5. So we've got 13 over 1. So m equals 13, it's just 13. And then the perpendicular, I'm going to do that, perpendicular slope equals -1 over 13, just the negative reciprocal. What about this one here? Let's see, we've got -1 minus 5 over -2 plus 2 minus -2. So it doesn't really matter what this goes to. It's going to be something over 0, so it's undefined. Slope is undefined. And the perpendicular slope is 0. Just to flip it around. It won't really matter what's on top there, just for the sake of it though, -6. So again, won't matter. Let's see. -3 plus 5, or minus -5, over -2 minus 0. That will give us, let's see, 2 over -2. Really, that's just going to be -1. So we have slope equals -1, and the perpendicular slope, this one can be kind of tricky. 1 really is just 1 over 1, and to flip it, you're still going to have 1. The perpendicular slope in this case would just be 1, because we're going to tack on that negative, remember. And what about this one? Let's see, 3 minus 3 over -2 minus 23. That's going to give us 0 over 25. Bottom number doesn't matter. Slope here is 0. And the perpendicular slope is undefined. Let's pan down and see what else we've got. Let's see. Graph the line passing through the given point with the given slope. Then graph a line perpendicular to that line passing through the origin. Okay, so we're going to have to find the perpendicular slope, which is just the negative reciprocal. We should be able to do that. Let's see. We'll start off at this one here, -3, -1. -3, -1, we're right here. And the slope is -1/5. So change of y is -1. So we go down 1 and +5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can do a few more here. 1, 5. And I actually have a straight edge I'm going to use on my screen here because my lines have been disgustingly crooked lately. There we go. So there's the first one. And now we need to find a line with a perpendicular slope that passes through the origin. So we know one of the points here is 0, 0. The perpendicular slope would just be 5. We would basically remove the negative because we're adding on a negative to a negative and flipping the fraction, so it would be 5. So here we'd go up 5 and over 1, up 5 over 1, down 5 over 1, and I'm going to use my straight edge as well on this one to graph this. And that's it. For this one here, we have the point 2, 4, and the slope 4, 3. Let's see, up 4 over 3, down 4 over 3. I just like having 3 points. It's a good way to, I think, draw a fairly accurate line. They don't need to be this huge, of course. It is best to have a larger line, though, when in doubt. So then perpendicular slope equals the negative reciprocal, so -3 over 4. That means that we're going to go, let's see, up 3 and over 4 in the other direction. Up 3 over 2, 3, 4. And drawing three dots makes it so you know that if you get one of them wrong, these just simply won't line up. You won't be able to find a good line. And all of these look like right angles. If you zoom in close here, they should look pretty close to right angles, and that's exactly what perpendicular means. And that's homework. If you guys have any questions on how I got to these specific conclusions or anything like that, please stop by and see me or Miss Kavanaugh. We'll help you out there. Thanks.